Hey, welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about Bing advertising and exactly why you would want to do Bing advertising. Bing is Microsoft's ad platform, so they're a direct competitor to Google, and you can buy advertising space on Bing just like you can on Google Adwords, and your searches or your advertisements will show up in a different search engine, obviously, but it's a whole other platform. A lot of people really like Bing, mainly because Google has become really strict on affiliates, and a lot of people that had successful affiliate campaigns at one point ended up getting their accounts shut down by Google, and they've had to go over to other platforms. So Bing is one of those platforms, and we'll talk about some other advantages to Bing over Google later on, but for now, just know that Bing is Microsoft's ad platform, and a lot of people are having a lot of success with Bing. So, one thing that you might be interested in to know is that 30% of U.S. search engine market share is in Microsoft's control. Okay, so 30% of so Microsoft has 30% of the market share. Okay, for search engines. Okay, so that's a pretty big number. All right, that's a pretty big percentage. That's a lot of people. Right now, they have 164 million unique searchers. Okay, so 164 million unique searchers. So what that means is that you've got a lot of people that are using Bing. Not everybody just goes on Google. Okay, some people use Bing. Some people use Yahoo. You may have noticed in your browser that sometimes the default can just get set to Yahoo or Bing, and you'll end up just typing something in the search bar, and you'll end up in Bing or Yahoo searches and not Google. Okay, and you may like that, you may not, but that's one way it's done. And a lot of people just prefer to use Bing. Okay, so remember, when you're buying advertising on Bing, that your ads are going to show up for Bing searches and Yahoo searches, okay, because Microsoft bought Yahoo search. So now whenever you buy an ad, you're going to basically show up in two search engines. Okay, so that's another reason why people are using Bing, and why you can use Bing to take advantage of these numbers and make a lot of money using Bing ads.